I'm meteorologist Dave Warren. Here with our picture from Sunny Isles. This is what the breeze coming in from the east, gusting 30+ miles an hour, does for days. Rough surf, and that water's pushed right up against the coast here. Occasionally, you'll get a passing shower. The showers and storms, they'll be increasing. The temperatures, well, they'll be staying in the mid to low 70s here. This front is just stalled out over the area. It's been like this for a few days, but it is about to change. We have the rain and wind today, especially to the south, but what's happening in the Gulf is what we want to watch here. This stationary front becomes a warm front and lifts as that area of low pressure intensifies, and it's right along this. This will be the weather tomorrow where you get these storms developing. They'll work their way through the area, heavy rain, and the potential is there for them to be strong or even severe. So have a way to get alerts tomorrow. We'll be watching this closely here throughout the day tomorrow and warn you as needed here in case anything goes strong or severe. It's just tomorrow, not the entire weekend, because the storm eventually lifts to the north and we'll get some drier air coming in. Now, it's a front and it's a west wind initially with a little more sunshine, welcome sunshine by the end of the weekend here Sunday afternoon. Temperatures could actually warm and try to make it up to about 80. It's not until Monday and Tuesday where we get the cooler breeze coming in from the north. Impacts, well, Saturday, that heavy rainfall threat is there. It's moderate. They up this. They watch this for the potential for heavy rainfall. There's a flood watch in the Keys. We could see some flooding downpours across the entire area. There is a severe weather threat higher up to the north, but we are in this threat for severe storms. It means there will be storms and the possibility, the chances there that they could be strong or even severe. And it's not until Tuesday where we see the temperatures drop. And once the rain showers clear out, the wind turns to the north. You'll notice it gets a little cooler and drier. We bottom out at 53 degrees there on Tuesday. Seeing the showers still racing through the area here with that east breeze gusting close to 40 miles an hour. A lot of the rain has been moving through the Keys. These are just some light to moderate rain showers. A little more activity here is off the coast of Miami-Dade, another area about to move in here. So you might have to hit the miss button. You get some drizzle coming in or brief showers as they work their way through the area with the breeze. Sustained wind, 20-25 miles an hour, but the gusts, they will continue close to 30, 35, 40 mile an hour wind gust. Everywhere is where we see this here today. Temperatures will be into the mid to low 70s with the rain showers pushing through the area today. The total rainfall, a lot of this coming down tomorrow, higher in the Keys on top of what we've had already. Saturated ground, 2 to 4 inches, could lead to some localized flooding there throughout the day tomorrow. And conditions just still pretty rough. Gale warnings continue. High surf warnings continue here. Likely even the wind, as the wind eventually begins to diminish a bit, it'll take a while for the seas to calm down just a bit. Dolphins game on Sunday after the alert tomorrow, the alert for those strong to severe storms. So have a way to get warnings. We'll be watching it closely. We up the rain chances, but it'll clear. A lot of that rain chance there at 50% is early Sunday. Sunday night dries out. Monday and Tuesday we're dry with the north wind. We're cool Tuesday morning. It quickly goes northeast. That brings back the moisture and the milder temperatures Wednesday and Thursday.